Today I'm going to share a recipe with you that I thought I was actually sure I had already made with you, but then I realized it was missing because the other day I was looking for it and I realized that it was missing. I'm talking about grilled artichokes. This is a recipe that, despite being super simple, will leave you speechless. Whether as a side dish or a main course, make it. Because it's truly delicious. Let's get started. So, you need to prepare a bowl filled with water and lemon juice. I also added a few slices of lemon, but you can also add parsley stems, flour, or vinegar if you want. Set it aside to keep it from turning black. I also rub the cutting board with lemon and then I start cleaning the artichokes. So I remove the bottom part of the stem, start peeling it, rub it with a bit of lemon, and then that's it. Rotating it in my hand, I start removing the outer leaves, the darker and tougher ones. Then I begin to clean the bottom part, remove the thorns, and detach the stem. And I temporarily put the artichoke in water. And I also take the opportunity to cut it quite thin. The stem, don't forget, if you care about your nails, maybe if you've had a French manicure, or even if you haven't, if you just care about them, use gloves. It would be better. Otherwise, you'll end up like me. Look, I don't know if you can see my nails, but I was in a hurry and I just forgot. Once they're all clean, I cut the artichoke in half and remove any fuzz if there is some. Then I slice them into pieces a little less than a centimeter thick and immediately put them in water as I go. By the way, my two cookbooks are available only on Amazon worldwide. Search for Carlo Gaiano Reset and you'll receive them in at most 2 days. Okay, now I chop some parsley, then I cut a clove of garlic in half and remove the germ. Cut it into small pieces, or if you prefer, you can use 2 cloves of garlic, cut them in half and put them in whole, then remove them after a while. Like garlic, so I chop it, but don't worry, you don't necessarily have to chop it. Very well, now I put everything in a small bowl, add some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of pepper, or alternatively, chili pepper works well too. A bit of salt, and I mix it well. I set it aside, now a hot grill, and I put them on directly, letting them drain a bit while they're still wet, let's say. I let it cook a couple of minutes on each side. Here we go. Now I flip them and let them cook for another couple of minutes on the other side as well. Very good. Now I take them off and proceed with the next ones in the same way, which I'll cook just a little bit longer. Here we go. Now while they're hot, I season them, mix well, and add a little more salt. Good. I'll give it one last stir, but see how beautiful they are? And you should smell how good they smell. And then I'll plate them. Let's see. Mamma mia, they're wonderful. Yes. Wow, they're delicious and they don't even make much smoke. Make them and let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, but look how beautiful this is. And before I leave you as usual, I want to wish you bon appetit. Thank you.